Hey there, Teeny Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got another beautiful Fridge 48 rolling out of the shop today. This one's loading up, heading down to Georgia on Man Allen. He's got a really nice setup here. Like I said, Fridge 48 on casters, all right, with the folding front shelf. All of our caster models get the folding front shelf. So locks up in place, still got your paper towel utensil holder, of course. Boom, folds down out of the way when you don't need it, doesn't take up any extra room. Now, he did throw a couple extras on this thing. It does have a rotisserie mount over here. So we got a rotisserie motor, slides in. He's got charcoal pans you can put in there, take all the grates out. Boom, you got a charcoal grill with rotisserie. Right now it's set up for smoking. So just like in all of our fridges, you get 3 sliding trays in here. There's a lot of cook room in this relatively small footprint. A lot of cook room. This is a reverse flow cooker here. So we've got removable plates down here. You can take up out of there. Makes it easy to clean up underneath. Directs the heat and smoke all the way across, back out of the stack. Fridge 48 might be one of our best cooking smokers ever. I mean, it's just so easy to run. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers in there, of course. Come around this end. We've got our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. Look, I'll slide this one out for you. They all slide. We'll open this up here. Now, this does have our removable plate with daisy wheels. All right, there it is. See the daisy wheel, see the plate, it comes out, that makes it removable. All right, we got a big hole in here now. What's that hole good for? Live fire cooking. All right, you can do wood fired pizzas in here, grill in here, see your steak in there. Works great. Boom, you throw this back in there. Make it look easy. Sliding tray, boom, you're back ready to smoke, guys. So very versatile option there. Come around the firebox. This is our insulated firebox. Still got your fire management cradle in there, of course. D-ring tie down points. Guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.